If you run a professional services firm, law, consulting, marketing, software engineering, there's a good chance you're missing margin you thought you had. Revenue looks strong, clients are growing, but partner yield, tight, cash cushion, even tighter. The problem isn't your top line, it's hidden erosion in your gross margins. Most firms overestimate gross margin by 10 to 15%. Not because the work isn't valuable, but because pricing, delivery, and cost assumptions aren't aligned. On paper, things look fine, but when you dig into engagement level data, the story changes fast. Here's the pattern I see often. Scope creep framed as client service, partner time spent on deliverables that should be delegated, unbilled hours that quietly drain margin. This isn't a billing issue, it's structural. Most firms don't lose margin through one big mistake. They lose it through silent leaks inside pricing, staffing, and reporting systems. First, pricing models. Flat fees and blended rates assume best case delivery, but ignore complexity and cost variation. Second, hidden costs. Support roles like PMs or IT vanish into overhead, idle team time goes unpriced, partner time goes untracked. Third, shallow reporting. Dashboards show 80% billable, but utilization theater hides the truth. You're seeing activity, not profitability. And if you only track at the P&L level, you're blind to where margin is actually made or lost. Top performing firms apply 3 disciplines. 1, tiered pricing. Price by role and value. Partners, seniors, juniors, each with rates that reflect delivery economics. 2, delivery cost dashboards. Track revenue per hour and labor costs in real time in your practice management system. Don't wait for month end to find out where margin went. 3, margin guardrails. Run every engagement through a pricing check. Debrief every project, adjust as needed. That's how you stay in control and protect margin before it disappears. Margin doesn't collapse, it leaks. You don't need heroics, just structure, visibility, and discipline. Because in professional services, it's not what you earn, it's what you keep. To explore this full framework, visit teelongrowth.com.